This is Josiah Vlogs. I don't know what number this is, but we're in his room here. Man, this camera's terrible. This is the bed he sleeps on. He's not home right now. I don't know where he is, but just hanging out in here. Buddy, you need to clean your room. It's looking like a mess. Alright, shout out to Mara and Corn.
It's gonna rain, it's gonna rain, it's gonna rain like you've never seen before. It's gonna rain like heaven packed out and sky fell out. It's gonna rain, ooh, it's gonna rain. You say life is a bowl of cherries, and you give me a bowl of pits. That pits will grow into trees one day. I'm getting my cherries anyway. Maybe so, maybe so. I'm just living on tip.
Hey guys.
Sorry, we're about to leave.
Okay. So we're on this boat. Shut the door. Okay, I'll be up. Alright, so my auntie is staying on. Alright. So it is Saturday night. Jaden, my cousin, the guy, he came over and we saw Fury. We saw like the movie Fury. And we were like, oh, that's pretty cool. So then we we basically been playing like War all day. And now my auntie invited us for dinner. So right now, well, we're eating here for dinner. I don't know what to say. Hi, Pepe. So right now I'm making like 2 videos. I'm making this one, which you'll see this Monday, and I'm making one about friends, which you'll see in 2 Mondays. Anyways, beautiful Sunday morning, right, Chester? Right, baby? Hi.
Where's Tristan?
Hey.
Oh, he's just chilling.
So I was just at a friend's house, and my mom came and picked me up, and now we're going back to that friend's house. Right, Mo?
Yes!
Yeah. Brandon gave me $4.30 to give Apple a shout out. Here's a shout out. Hi, Apple.